Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the ULB Hariyana Sales Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in property.ulbharyana.gov.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Property Tax Department of Haryana. Choose your language from the top right section and then scroll down and you will be able to choose your user type. Choose your user type and you may also be allowed to choose your login method. After choosing your selected login method, enter your login credentials. Type in your email ID, your phone number or your personal ID and then click on the Send OTP button. You will then receive your OTP within the preferred method of logging in. Just check your inbox or your phone number and you will find the login code that you are supposed to enter within the next screen. Just copy this code and enter it within the next page and then proceed forward and you will be logged into your account on the property tax website for Haryana right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Haryana Sales Tax property website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.